That's crazy. Woo! Yeah, boy! Dude, nice bags, bro.
Thank you.
What kind of bags are those, dog?
They're the airlift struts with 3-piece setup.
3-piece setup?
Yeah.
Dude, how much? Like, straight up? Like,
full said and done was like 6,300.
drivability.
I love it. Better than stock.
Better than stock?
Better than stock.
Yeah. It looks amazing. Are those airbags?
Yeah.
Yeah? Heard them. How much to put those in?
I got an old airbag system, an old air ride system, so it's $3,000.
$3,000? That's not bad, actually.
No.
Considering lowering like
a new one's $6,000.
Yeah, exactly. Holy jeez. Amazing. No, I love it. Great setup. Plum Loca. How does it work?
Sorry, my car's kind of messy right now.
No, that's alright.
Just my airlift controller.
Oh, that thing?
Yeah.
That thing right there?
Yeah, that's it.
So you go boop, 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 beep,
And then I need to reset it up,
yeah.
but I have it on my phone as well.
Can you show us how it works, bro? Does the car have to be running?
Right now my airlift's kind of all fucked up.
Yeah.
So it's permanently on. But I'm just gonna send it to my shop and get it fixed.
Okay, so you have to have it on right now.
Right now it's hot wired to the battery,
Gotcha.
so it's permanently on.
Yeah.
All the time. But normally it's on ignition.
Right. Woo! Yeah, boy! How many inches is that?
No idea, man.
That's sick. That's sick, man.
Full air out.
Woo! That's full air out.
That's full air out.
Damn. That is amazing.
Right now it's sitting here on the like the wheel wells and shit.
Yeah.
But my exhaust is on the ground as well.
Yeah, boy.
My exhaust, and depending on how the ground is, sometimes the diff sits on the ground as well.
Yeah. I think it's worth $6,300 bucks.
That's not bad at all. 6,300 is not bad.
Fuck yeah.
Ordered it from a place called AM Tuning.
Yeah.
And they were like, oh, 2 to 3 weeks. It came in 3 days. So it was very worth it.
Yeah.
I love it. Before I had it, like, it's every once in a while you do pulls and people try and race you and shit.
Yeah.
But now that I have this, I don't want to be do anything stupid.
Yeah.
You know, blow a bag doing 160, right?
Blowing a bag doing 160, bro. I know what you're saying.
It's worth the headache, in my opinion.
No, it's a unique look, right?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Not a lot of guys run it, right?
Yeah.
Or at least out here in Canada, not a lot of guys.
Well, it looks like you've been running it for over a year now, technically.
Yeah, well, March 30th was a year.
Yeah.
I've had it on bags.
Yeah.
I don't drive it in the winter.
Yeah.
It's I park it during the winter. So that's
awesome.
easy. All I got to do is unplug my, empty my tank, unplug some shit, and just let it sit. So.
Yeah, man. Fucking thanks, bro. That's awesome.
Yeah, no problem, man.